I know, it's gross. This is exactly what laziness has done to us. These are liquid spills and cooking oil spill that had been left for so many years. Today is the day to remove this chocolate stain, and hopefully we won't do the same mistake again in the future. First step, let's remove any debris or small particles from the stove. After watching so many YouTube videos about how to clean a kitchen cooktop, I have decided to give this cleaning agent a try. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by this product, it is merely for my personal YouTube video. I generously spray the affected area with the cleaning agents. Maybe it's a bit too much, but I'm hoping a miracle will happen. And then I'll leave it for several minutes. Well, it does work a little bit. I can see some part of the hardened stain have started to peel off, but the rest of the stain is pretty much stubborn. I will definitely need to come up with another solution. So I come up with a more traditional approach. I have a mixture of baking soda with a dishwashing liquid soaked in hot water. Then I pour the mixture on top of the affected area. Lastly, cover them using a cling wrap to prevent any loss of moisture. Now I begin to remove the affected area by scraping them using a plastic scraper. Do not use a metal scraper. You don't want to see scratches on your kitchen cooktop. I will show you what I mean later in this video. It's kinda working, but some area is still very much stubborn. I think I need to update the ingredients to make it stronger. still using the baking soda, the dishwashing liquid, and soak them with hot water. But this time, I'm also adding white vinegar into the mixture. Hopefully this one will work. Once again, I covered the affected area using a cling wrap to prevent any loss of moisture to the mix. While waiting for the mixture to set on the cooktop, I take the opportunity to clean the oven. So sit back and relax while I'm doing the cleaning. And please support my video by subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. After about 5 hours, the stains are coming off easier than before with the plastic scraper, although there are some parts that are still very stubborn. But with a little push, I can manage to remove them. All stains are gone now. And lastly, as you can see, there are scratches on my cooktop. That is the very reason why you should not use a metal scraper. So that's it. If you find this video useful, please give your thumbs up and consider supporting my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Until next time.